Hey babe, make me a sandwich.
No, make it yourself.
Okay, welcome to Cook It Yourselves, where I'll teach you to cook it yourself. So today, we're making a grilled cheese with whatever cheeses I have in the fridge. Brioche, mature cheddar, truffle brie, telaggio, butter, truffle brie, cheddar, truffle brie, so now that we've assembled the sandwich, we're gonna butter up both sides. Some people like to use mayonnaise for this, but I like butter.
Oof, look at that butter spread.
Yeah. Just be generous. This is going to give it a really nice golden crust and a creamy flavor. Fire up. Sandwich in. Fire to medium. ABC, always be cleaning. Let's check, and we'll flip.
So what do you like about grilled cheese so much?
It's fast, it's delicious, and there's nothing not to love. Grilled cheese is like steak. You know, you treat it with care. And we're done.
Yeah. Ooh.
There's only one way to cut grilled cheese, and that's into triangles. If you do it like that, you're crazy. Oh yeah. Yeah. Get it. We hope you like this video. Let us know what you think in the comments, and like, share and subscribe. We'll be dropping a new video every Sunday.